Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML. And right now, we'll be discussing about HTML uniform resource locators, which everybody known as URL. We call it URL everywhere. A URL is another word for a web address. A URL can be composed of words, e.g. top10strength.com, saka.com, taye.com, robin.com, or it can be composed of an internet protocol, which everybody call IP address. E.g., for example, you can have it like 192.68.20.50, 192.50.kirikon. You understand? 192, you can do like 170.20.50. You can do like 1.1.1. You can have 0.1.0.1, and so on and so forth. Most people enter the name when solving because names are easier to remember than numbers. So, what have we learned so far? The main explanation on this is that wherever you see people talking about web address, a web address is your link, the link, which is top10strength.com, rashid.com, robin.com, anwar.com, and so on. And if you add them talking about internet protocol, it's also the same. But internet protocol, they call IP address instead of representing the resource, because all these things, they are talking about a resource we are having on the internet. So to represent the name, either you use it in name or you use it numerically. Numerically is the one people call IP address, which everybody call internet protocol. But when you use it in name way, the name when we assign it using words, we compose it in words. That's when you see it everywhere, like google.com, facebook.com. They are all talking about a resource on the internet that is kept somewhere that we want to access. That's why we call it uniform resource locators. You can call it internet protocol, you can call it IP address, you can call it website link, you can call it web address, you can call it anything you want. You can even give it your own local name, because this is all talking about a resource on the internet that you want to access. So the resource is on the internet with a number assigned to it, maybe as like a street address that we assign, is like an address that we assign to a street number or to a house number or to a street, so that people can be able to know where to navigate to, where to go to in case they are looking for so something. So this is just address. Both 192.68.20.50 is also the same as top10strength.com. So all these things, I'm going to explore this for you guys in the later future, the way you can represent your document in this manner when we get to the advanced level, because all these things I'm talking about, they are so advanced. So when we get to advanced level very well, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create this your own and make use of it in a very simple way without stressing yourself all around. So I don't want this tutorial to get too long. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next. Bye bye. But before we go, make sure that you can check my playlist on HTML uniform resource locators. That's where you can find every tutorial about all these links and so on.